minutes.
Yeah, but for Coach Ronnie, for me, wake-up call for both teams. For Ateneo, you know, if you don't play well, watch how you play the first 2 sets. And if you can learn how to play that throughout the match, your program's really gonna go places.
Second heartbreaker in the last 2 weeks for the Blazers. And again, the biggest heroine para dito sa Ateneo is no doubt the face of the sport in the Philippines today, Miss Eliza Valdez with Miss Trisha Robredo.
Eliza, kanina nakita namin na nag-struggle kayo and this has probably been the closest game for you the entire conference. How was this game like for you at paano naman kayo nakabawi in the end?
Well, definitely medyo affected kami sa kasi na-injured yung one of our teammates So ayun, madami na ang injury. So siguro yun lang. Pero at the end of the day, si Coach Tai andyan to guide us and yung teamwork talaga, it really worked. It really works. So ayan, teamwork works. So yan lang siguro.
Okay, thank you very much, Eliza. And as player of the game, we present to you this box of shakies. At congratulations sa buong Lady Eagles. Back to you guys.
Para kay Trisha Robredo, and of course, para po sa inyong paboritong shakies, bilig na po si Ronnie Magsanok nagsasabing maraming salamat sa inyong pagsubaybay sa Shakies TV.